This week in Ken's Tech Lab, we're going to the kitchen. Yes, you heard right. We're going to the kitchen with this gourmet kitchen robot. Stay tuned. Welcome back. Here at Ken's Tech Lab, we look at everything from door locks to 3D printing to resin printing, computer systems. We cover pretty much the whole gamut of technology today. Well, what I have in the studio is a Suvie 3.0 kitchen robot. And I looked at this product and I said, how could you have meals be ready for you to take to work? Because looking over ordering from DoorDash, if you have that in your area, or other ways to order food, it's getting pretty expensive. I've been looking at $24 to $25 per day to order food and have it delivered to me at work. So I was looking for an alternative way to have lunch every day without having to do a full cooking every night when I got home. So I found this product called Suvie. Suvie has ready-made meals that you order, flash frozen, and you put them in your freezer. You can put them in the Suvie, and what the Suvie will do is keep them refrigerated inside the cooking. And then at the time that you want it ready, it will start the dinner or lunch and have it ready by the time that you set. Now we're going to see if all that comes true, because we're going to unbox the Suvie and we're going to cook a meal. And we're going to see how well that meal is. So stay tuned. All right, with the Suvie here, let's get this opened. I've got my side cutters, which work well on 3D printing parts. Let's see how well they do on these huge zip ties or ties that they have, these plastic ties. It's pretty heavy. This box must be over 60 pounds. They do offer I would say it's a water cooker for doing rice and spaghetti and stuff like that, the pastas. I didn't get that part of this. I wanted to see how well this does first. And if I do like this as much as I think I'm going to like it, then I might go ahead and add the other cooker with it for the pastas and rice. Now this box came in with a little hole on the side from shipping. I'm hoping that didn't hurt the Suvie at all. Just throw that over there. Now, usually when they have a bottom like this and ties over it, you really don't need to open up the top. But I want to have a feeling maybe some things were in there, like the instruction booklet here. I'm sure this, oh, team lift. Caution, don't lift it yourself. So I'm going to have to put this down on the floor. And we'll be right back with me getting it up. Alright, here's the Suvie 3.0. Let me get that situated there. So me and you are seeing this for the first time. Just unboxing it. Warning, do not lift from handle. Take that off. On the top it says fill water here. Remove the sticker before use. So before we start going over this, I'm going to show you a small video from Suvie. We'll be right back.
Meet the brand new Suvie 3.0. the newest magical all-in-one countertop kitchen robot, designed to save you time and cook delicious meals for your whole family. With over 15 ways of cooking and bigger portion sizes that feed up to 4 adults, Suvie provides a variety of delicious meals for your entire household. If you're planning ahead, just load your ingredients, schedule your breakfast, lunch, or dinner, and Suvie does the rest. With its revolutionary cool-to-cook technology, your ingredients stay refrigerated until it's time to start cooking. And Suvie's multiple zones ensure that everything is ready at precisely the same time. If you're in a hurry, with Rapid Cook Mode, you can go from fully frozen ingredients to a perfectly cooked dinner in less than 25 minutes. If you want to bake a cake, wake up to egg bites, roast, bake, broil, slow cook, Suvie does it all, from cooling to cooking. To unlock the full power of the Suvie system, add the Starch Cooker for perfect pasta, rice, and even breakfast. With Suvie, you can cook with your own fresh ingredients, or get Suvie's chef-designed healthy Suvie meals delivered. Ditch takeout. Simply load, scan, cook, and enjoy. And the cleanup, quick and simple. Just the way you like it. Created to help you save time and eat well. Suvie will make your life easier and more delicious. Isn't it time you see for yourself? Try Suvie in your home today.
Welcome back. I hope that was informative from Suvie. It tells you how it cooks. It actually cooks with water. And instead of no frying, it's not air fried. It's cooked with water in a high temperature to make sure that everything comes out just perfect. Also, then make sure that all the food comes out at the same time so you're not waiting around for your vegetables or other things to cook. Okay, let's open up the Suvie. We get foam. Just toss that over there. All right. Inside here, you have a Suvie pan, or the top pan, which looks like it comes with a place so the grease, nothing sits in grease. Okay, here's the bottom pan from Suvie. And this is the drain tray. And we'll have to see the instructions to see what that's all about. Now, they did offer a to purchase at the same time a Suvie glove for picking up hot dishes or hot pans out of here, and also a Suvie more pots, more pans like you see there, and some other things that you get from Suvie. I just got this by itself, and I did start the subscription for the food that I can choose off a menu of what I like to have, and it comes for 2 people. Each one of the menus is for 2 people. So since I'm by myself, I'm going to be putting those into 2 separate meals for the 1 person. So hopefully this helps with calories and other things. As soon as those meals come in, we'll be doing a cooking on this and a taste test, and I'll tell you exactly what I feel about it. So stay tuned for that. Okay, I hope everybody can see. What we're going to do is set up the Suvie with the internet and have it do its updates like any other computer, and we'll go from there. So let's plug it in for the first time. Comes with, it looks like a 3-foot power cord. Only bad thing about this is with the side one, it makes it not stick out as much. I'm sure she has to boot. Welcome to Suvie. Now when the meals come in, I don't know if you can see this or not, but when the meals come in, they're going to come in and have a card, and the card's going to have a place to tap right here on the screen, and it will set the meal up for the temperatures and everything for you. Okay, get started. Scanning networks. Okay, connecting to my wireless. Connected. Yay. Done. Okay, it's talking to Suvie and it's going to download its update. Just like all the printers that I have, they do the same thing if they're network compatible. Don't forget, everything that is on this channel, unless stated by me, is purchased by me. It's not given to Ken's Tech Lab. So on the side of the unit, it says on first use, fill to top to prime pump and water lines. So up here is a fill for water. Downloading recipes. Alright, fill the reservoir to the top as indicated by the first time use sticker or your user manual. Alright, so let's go add the water in the top. And on the side of here is a little water meter. And right now that one. So there's a max line, and then there's a little note on there that says fill this up to max for the first use. So I'm using filtered water. Alright. I think it wants a little more. Okay, here's a little bit more water. Okay, that's take the whole thing, I think. Okay, we're at the fill line. We can shut this up where it is not going to leak out. I think we should call this, have a new series on cooking with Ken. Leave a comment. Okay, let's go next. Alright. It's saying that it is in setup is in progress. If you can hear that, it's actually filling up all the, not the reservoir is filled up, but I believe that there is channels of pipes throughout this entire thing. Maybe the show could be called Cooking with Tech. Alright. Get the Suvie app. Alright, I've downloaded the app. I've signed in. And the my Suvie robot is actually listed already. So let's hit enter. It says you're all set. Get cooking. And it has the time. So it looks like right now it's going to download another update. And the water level is just at max where it should be after all that initial, all the initial pumping that it did throughout its system. Okay, it's rebooting after its update. Doesn't This actually reminds me of doing Windows updates. Updating recipe set. And it looks like it's all done. Time, date, Wi-Fi, the version that you're on. Let's see, what else we got here? Alright, so if we get into the menu, we have cook. We have Suvie meals, refrigerate, settings. Under settings, we have Wi-Fi, connect to app, which mine's already connected to the app. Maintenance, let's see what we have under maintenance. Rinse, vent, cool down, descale, and cancel. We have about, tells you the firmware, the Wi-Fi, and back. So if we go to the meals, we have rapid cook meals, Suvie plus, slow cook meals, add-ons, and back. Now the add-ons I found is sort of like your desserts and things like that. So I went down to add-ons, breakfast, desserts, turkey, okay, desserts. I believe they only have two, chocolate chip or oatmeal raisin cookies or a lava cake. Okay, let's go to just cook. What does it have? Roast, bake, broil, and slow cook and steam. Reheat, egg mode, proof, none, and back. Alright. Well, there's nothing else we can do with this until we get the first meal in-house. So the next time you're going to see this come on with the magic of video, we will be cooking. Alright everybody, now we're in Ken's kitchen. Let's take a look at the food that just arrived from Suvie. And like I said before, I've actually subscribed. And how I did the subscription is every meal comes as 2 servings unless otherwise stated on the Suvie menu. So I will have a new delivery every 12 days. So 6 meals divided by 2, which gives me 12 days of meals, and then I'll have another delivery. So we'll see how this works out. Let's open up the box. I don't know how the Suvie meals are going to come, but we shall soon find out. Alright, so on the top we have foam, and inside here, whoa, water. It came open a little. Suvie didn't do a very good job on that, did they? Okay, so this one is green beans and 4 cheese ravioli. So we'll put this down here. Let me get something to wipe this up a little bit. I didn't know there was going to be drainage. Okay, next meal is 4 cheese ravioli with marinara sauce and green beans. As you can see, I like Italian. Alright, here's one that is chicken Alfredo pasta bake. Now this one looks yummy. Okay. This one sort of looks like the Alfredo. I think for the first order, I think I kept it. This looks like chicken Alfredo with green beans. And this one's completely open. This one is teriyaki chicken with rice and green peas. So each meal comes, or for 2 people, comes individually wrapped. And supposed to be with dry ice, but it looks like it all melted. Okay, looks like there's not enough meals in this one. Let's see what we got. Alright, there's the teriyaki chicken. Each one of them comes with a card that tells you how to prepare it. This one comes with green peas and meat. This one is missing the card. The 4-cheese ravioli with green beans has the card. And chicken Alfredo has the card. And four-cheese ravioli has the card. So all but one have the card in the packaging. All of it is cold. Alright, so which one of these delicious meals are we going to try to cook? Let's do the teriyaki chicken and see how that comes out. Alright, so let me prepare this in the pans and we'll be right back. Okay, I just wanted to show you the meal plan. This is the teriyaki chicken. Gives you the instructions here. So what we're going to do is prepare the top pan. So let me get the top pan out. This is the top pan. This is open up the chicken breast and place on the roasting rack. Okay? So the roasting rack is actually in this pan right here. Okay. So these are pre-perforated packages, so I really shouldn't need a knife or anything. So we're going to take the chicken and then we're going to go over to the second piece. Now we have the second piece of chicken. Now everybody knows that, well, the reason why I buy the meals like this, for one thing, is I don't like to cook. I don't want to prepare. I want it pretty well done for me, but I would still like to have a halfway decent meal plan with vegetables and fresh meats. Okay. that's all for the top pan. It doesn't want to add anything to it. And you put this in the top. Just like that, all done. Okay. It says prepare the bottom pan, so let's take the bottom pan out. We're going to open up our thing. We have that. We have sauces. And we have sesame seeds. A little pack. Okay. I had to stop the film for a minute so I could wash my hands after touching the chicken. Okay, so prepare bottom pan. We're going to open up the bag with the white rice and green peas and add to the pan. So here's the white rice and green peas. All of them also have the nutrition facts for each piece that you're putting in there. Okay. We're going to break this up as much as we can. All of it's out of there. Okay. Take the trash, put it in their bag. It says, let's see, dumping this in the pan. Season with 1 tablespoon of olive oil and 2 tablespoons of salt. I'm going to pretty well 2 tablespoons. And that looks like it's good enough. Okay, and now we're going to put a little bit of salt in there. There we go. Okay. There we go. A little bit of pepper. Alright. Olive oil, salt, and pepper. So collect those ingredients from your pantry. And that's all you need to actually do this meal. So you don't need the teriyaki sauce or the sesame seeds for the first part of this. So what we're going to do now is actually place this into the Suvie. Okay, we're going to sit it here. We're going to take this card. Okay, hold the certificate logo to the Suvie. There it is. Okay, it has the top. Let's see if I can get in there a little closer for you. Okay, so it has the top information. Rapid cooked teriyaki chicken. It says right on the cook right here on the menu. It's going to actually cook 350 on 42 degrees and then 325 at 30 minutes on the second. It'll be ready at 7:14. Takes 42 minutes and cook now. Now I can actually set this to cook at a later time, I could set it for tomorrow at 5 o'clock, and the refrigerator in this would turn on and keep it cold until that time. So we'll be right back as soon as it's done, and we'll get it out and see how it tastes. Alright, looks like we're done. It says caution steam and surfaces may be hot. Please check that your proteins are fully cooked. And then it gives you a I'm done or cook more. So let me get ready for the stuff. this all in the bag. That's going to be our trash bag. Clean up the mess. Okay, let's open up. Let's lay out a towel. Okay, let's take out the top rack, just the meat. Whoops, there we go. And then let's take out the bottom rack, which is the rice. Okay. All right, so let's move over to the, this is beautifully cooked. We're just gonna check make sure that the chicken's cooked all the way through. Open it up, it's all white, no red. No bleeding, no pink. All cooked nicely all the way through. Nice and tender. Okay, looks beautiful. Now we're going to go back to the card and see how we're going to finish this meal. Remember, the card has everything, including pictures of what the meal should look like. So we're going to do two things. Okay, we're going to get a plate out and we're actually going to plate this. Okay, we can tell the actual oven that we're done. So we push a little button, everything shuts down, and it's cooling. All right. Let's see if we get this plate in a little bit more. All right, let's plate it. So we're going to put this on each plate. Now, one's going to be actually for lunch for me tomorrow. And then, of course, one of them is going to be here. So let's start off with the chicken. And let's go ahead and cut this down. Alright, comes with teriyaki sauce, so we're going to put a little bit of that on here. Okay, a little bit of sesame seed, just a little dab. There we go, sesame seeds. And I present to you teriyaki chicken with white rice. Okay. Now, of course, we can't go anywhere without actually trying this. So let's cut ourselves off a little piece. This is excellent. Let's try the peas and rice. The rice is cooked all the way through, and everything tastes perfect. Okay, everybody, welcome back to the studio, and I hope everybody enjoyed being in Ken's kitchen on Ken's Tech Lab and going over the Suvie kitchen robot. And we did a full cook. We did a taste test. Everything was great. Again, thank you for joining us on the show. Don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and don't forget, as always, stay awesome.